Hello, my name is Dr. Charlotte Hawkins. I'm a specialist in congenital disability affecting the lower limb. In October 2010, I travelled to Zanzibar Island in Africa, having heard of the hardship and disabilities suffered by many hundreds of children who were born with clubfoot. Clubfoot is a congenital disability that presents at birth with the feet facing inwards and upwards. These children will be unable to walk normally, and in some cases, if at all. Where they would drag their ankles through the rough terrain, sores would develop, including infection. Death would sometimes follow. I began to train the local technicians in the Ponseti technique. This is a technique using serial casting of the affected limb in plaster of Paris, followed by a period of corrective orthopaedic boots and bars. On my return home, I set up the Infant Clubfoot Appeal. This is a small registered charity that ensures that funding is not absorbed into a large organisation, but rather directed at those in need on a personal level. As these busy years have passed, more and more babies have attended our clinic in Zanzibar. To date, nearly 2,000 children have had successful treatment and are living their lives normally, with barely a hint of the disability with which they were once born. We also discovered on Zanzibar the need for a prosthetic unit, which we have set up to help amputees, both children and adults alike. Having seen the successes of our Zanzibar clinic, our attention has been turned to Pemba Island. Pemba Island is a very small island just north of Zanzibar, where there is even greater poverty and many more children living with the disability of clubfoot with no treatment regime in place at all. We have changed so many lives on Zanzibar that we feel empowered. We have great hope and determination that we can build a second clinic there. Please will you help us help these children run, to play, and to live a normal life and grow into adults free of disablement. Your donation will help us to buy plaster of Paris that will help us to treat the clubfoot deformity, will help us to buy machinery, will help us to buy the materials required to make an artificial limb. Above all, it will give hope to the many disabled children and adults on Pemba and Zanzibar Island. Please help us to help them. Please donate on the My Donate page on our website. Thank you so much. Asante Sana.